Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom contact form in WordPress with Bitform. Let's get started. First, open your Bitform dashboard and click on the Create First Form button. Next, choose the type of form you want to create from here. For this tutorial, I will create a custom contact form. So I will use the blank form template. Now, give your form a name. Then, add the necessary fields from the left sidebar into the form builder, and customize them according to your needs. Once done, click on the Update button and copy the shortcode. Now go to your page and paste the shortcode into a shortcode block. Finally, publish it, and your custom contact form is ready to use. That's how you can easily create a custom contact form in WordPress with Bitform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.